8 in 10 IT teams are actually overspending on their ITSM platforms. I'm a former Gartner analyst, and I spent several years, because I'm a fun guy, focused almost entirely on researching ITSM tool purchases. And I'm going to start with the most impactful thing that I learned during my research. There's this huge spend gap. You have the cheapest solutions on the market and the most expensive solutions on the market. You're going to spend 10 times more for that top shelf, that top tier set of solutions in the market, right? If you're spending that, you're going to get great features. But are you really going to be able to get 10 times the value of what others are getting or your other choices? Well, beyond that, the total cost of ownership of these solutions has gotten pretty bloated in this market. So a reasonable question to follow that is, if that's the condition of the market, then why are people spending the money? Why not just buy cheaper solutions? ITIL's been around for a long time. So ITIL is usually really looked at like table stakes. You're not going to get your executives excited by doing well there. It's just kind of expected. But in reality, IT organizations are not fully implemented end-to-end across ITIL processes. So, when making these purchases and talking to decision makers, we're usually looking at the next thing. We're not looking at ITIL. We're looking beyond that. We're looking at digital transformation, how we can help business partners, name a million things. What I recommend is that you center TCO in your requirements. I want you to end up with a short list that's different than everybody else. You want a tool that's designed for TCO, and that's not what tools are incentivized for in this market. So what a tool looks like when it's designed for TCO is it's going to be fast and easy to implement so that you get up and running in IT. Build yourself through the roadmap. And, again, tools aren't necessarily always built that way. You don't need all that capability right away when you're, only in that first 10%, and then you're in that 20%, but you're paying for 100% of it, right? So that's why it's important that TCO is centered in your roadmap. I used to be a Gartner analyst. I now work for EasyVista. I'm not going to tell you to buy EasyVista. Probably should. But what I would say is EasyVista being on your short list is a good indicator that you're looking at TCO, right? Gartner has been ranking vendors for a long time for their capabilities. And in 2022, when they looked at the core IT use case that most people are using, EasyVista was in the top 4 globally. So, that's a really good place to be. And overall, almost everybody overspends on ITSM tools. There's a massive spend gap. That's the biggest opportunity in the market. And if you just consider TCO, that's going to get you a better shortlist. EasyVista should probably be on it. And so hopefully you'll get a quote from us, do a demo, and you can compare for yourself.